Welcome to Tech Talk with Koenig Equipment. I'm Curtis Ship. Today we're going to talk about harvest reports and operations center. Let's get to it. To view a harvest report in Operations Center Mobile, simply go to the bottom right corner and select Analyze. Ensure your summary is correct up in the top left-hand corner. You can see 2022 harvest. I can see my total acres and individual fields, the yield of each field, along with the area. If I'd like to see more information, hit the arrow down toward the bottom to view more information such as moisture, date harvested, etc. You can also click on a field and view how individual varieties performed in that field. If you select a back arrow, you can also look at varieties across the entire operation. If I would like to print out any of this information or email it, simply select the green arrow in the bottom right corner, select PDF, select print, and you're good to go. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk with Koenig Equipment. For more how-tos, visit the customer training section on our Koenig Equipment mobile app. See you next time.